Hello friends, Running Kimono here. Hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we have a giant 18 pack of the Charmin Essentials for $5. Really cheap cleaners, $1.60 Clorox, $4.50 Oxy. Just a whole bunch of magic and balloons, unicorns, and butterscotch pudding and cheap cleaner, which we love. The store that you're going to go to specifically is the Home Depot. Has to be that store. Now, if you can type in your location into your cell phone or desktop computer with your zip, possibly you might be able to find some of these items at prices in your store. I believe you have to go in store to pick it up though. But for those of you that are like, well, I want to know, I recommend to look on the app. I had no luck doing that because I don't think they update the website that way around here, but you might have better luck if you live in a bigger city. The first deal that we're going to discuss is this. It's on all of the P&G products. It's to save $15 when you spend $75, save $25 when you spend $100. Now, as you see in the picture, the bottom where it says Mr. Clean Gain Charmin, so it is working on clearance. And basically how this works, guys, is that you're going to scan $100 worth at the register. $25 will come off automatically. So that's kind of awesome. What you're looking for specifically are these 18 equals 72 counts. And lots of stores have it tagged. I think the original price for this is like just under $19. So it's on clearance for $9.50, and this store had a huge amount. And then they had top stock as well. So it's going to be pretty easy to do this. I know that last week this paper was a little bit more expensive. It was like $15. So they've dropped it significantly. So hopefully it's the same thing in your market. And it's the 18 equals 72 Charmin Mega. So it's a huge thing of toilet paper. I think the last time we got this for cheap was a clearance event a couple years back at the Dollar General. Now, alternatively, if you wanted to get some Bounty Essentials, but this is $15. So it's a bit rich for this girl. So I'm going to go strictly with toilet paper for the breakdown. And here we have it, $9.50 each. The original price was $18.97, which is like really, it's a huge pack, so this will last you a really long time. Even if you just wanted to stockpile this, it would be smart. So here it is, guys. Grabbing 8 of these at the price point of $9.50 a unit. That's $76. The 15 off 75 will come off automatically. So basically you're paying $61 for the 8 or $7.62 per bag of 18 counts. Now, there's a rebate that you can apply for, which I'll talk about in a second. But alternatively, if you wanted to get the full 100, and that's how I would do it, 11 of these would be $104.50. Subtracting the 25, you'd pay $79.50 for the 11. Now, if you might have some money on your IBOTTA or Shopkick, you can get a Home Depot gift card, and I recommend you do it that way so you're not really feeling this one out of pocket, because this is quite a bit out of pocket. I'm not going to deny that. This is the exact site you're going to go to, pngoodeveryday.com. So you have to have an account, and so you're just going to sign up. And I really recommend that you also submit your receipt to get back some points. A lot of us get OTC cards with the PNG site, and you can use it on future deals at like CVS or Meyer. And the promotion is to spend $50 to get back a $15 gift card. So you'll have to send the UPC, photograph of your receipt. You do it online, and then you're getting back $15. So that's how I've reconciled some of these, like $5 and some change per bag. So if you want to do it that way, I know a lot of you don't care about rebates, but it's money, so I definitely would apply for this. Like, why not? Let's just hop into other clearance. This is stuff that I saw tagged, but somebody beat me to the store who was a lot faster than I. It is the Mr. Clean Clean Freak Lavender for $1.20. I mean, if I saw 5 of those, I probably would have bought all of them because I do like the trigger for these. It's another P&G product that probably would work for that rebate as well, for the instant savings and for the gift card. And then we have these magic eraser. It's a 5-pack for $5.04, and I think the original price for this item was just under 10. So if you want to finesse the math around, because Mr. Clean was mentioned for that rebate of save 15 or save 25 on P&G products, and again, those instant savings will come off at the register, and I know it was working specifically for the paper, and it also works because I think Mr. Clean is itemized as one of the save big when you buy Mr. Clean. Also, this is $4.50 at some stores. It is the 5-pounder of the OxyClean for $17.77, now down to $4.50. This exact lavender one. That's a huge amount of this. Honestly, if you bought this, it would probably last you a very long time, maybe a couple of years, because I don't use a ton of Oxy unless you use it every single day. But a lot of people love it for laundry. So this is a fantastic stock up price. 75% off for a lot of these products, and some of them are even more, including this Fresh Meadow 77-ounce Clorox. And look for these on a bottom shelf. I know that some stores had a pool one too, like a pool cleaner that I saw in the clearance section. Make sure it's not corroded too, because sometimes this is the one product around the top or the base. If it's sitting in the store a good long time, some weird stuff happens. But $1.60, and I think this was just under like $8 or $9 original price, and it's a 77-ounce, so it's the huge one. So definitely be on the lookout for this, because you don't want to miss out, especially these name brand products. Now, another item for disinfecting your home, a lot of people use these sprays, and this is by Autoband. This is a product that's actually picking up a lot of steam with, cleaners on Instagram or TikTok, and this is a disinfectant spray for $1.40. The original price point was $5.47, so some significant savings there. If that's your thing, I would definitely stock up. And lots of these scrubbers by Liebman or Scotch-Brite are 50% off. Scrub Daddy, unfortunately, was not part of it, and I did look around. Even if you see some of these items, don't be shy to go up to customer service and say, hey, could you look for this in your system? Is it there? Do you have any extra? Especially with the toilet paper, because if somebody beats you to the store and grabs 8 or 11, they can actually take probably half of the display. So I would definitely ask, because they definitely have a lot of this on a top stock, meaning if you'll the really top shelves, that's where they store it, and they'll have to get the little crane out to get it for you. But don't be shy to ask, because their computer system, they can look that up in 10 seconds flat. Let me know if you're going to be running on any of these deals and if you score, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.